So I'm welding the gap. You can see there's a huge gap similar to this one. And so I'm welding to fill in the gap. That's why you have that big gulp of weld on it. Trying to accomplish something like this. So I will get to this point, hit it with a hammer to close the gap, get it closer, and then I will do a fill-in weld. So that's similar to what I am doing here, and I'll finally get something like this. It's a drying line for drying clothes. So that's pretty much how it goes.